Hey, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the AUX jack on your Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. The AUX jack is located on the left side of the headphones, and the first step that we're going to do is remove the ear pad. I do also want to inform you that we do offer this as a repair service, so if you do want to send in your headphones for a repair, you could go onto our website and fill out the repair form to do so. Link will be in the description. Also, for all the tools that I'll be using today, everything will be linked in the description below as well. First step, we're going to go ahead and remove the ear pad using a pry tool. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and just remove the old adhesive while we're at it. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove all the screws from the speaker housing. We're going to be using a Phillips Plus screwdriver that is a 1.5. And to make sure that we don't lose any screws, what I like to personally do is all the screws that I remove, I'll put them inside the ear pad, just so that I don't lose any, because they are small, and if you do drop one, it could be quite hard to find. And the screws that do hold the AUX jack together, they are the silver ones. Once all screws are removed, go ahead and peel the speaker. So to remove the AUX jack, we're gonna go ahead and remove the glue that is holding the wire to the jack. And you could simply do this by just warming up the glue with your solder iron, or if you have a heat gun on hand, you could go ahead and use that too. Just make sure that you don't use high heat. We recommend that you use anywhere from 200 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you just hold it in place for a few seconds, nothing too long, so that you don't cause any more damage to the headphones. Next step is we're gonna go ahead and unsolder the wire from the AUX jack. The solder points are glued, but you should be able to bypass that with your solder iron by simply soldering points. As you're trying to unsolder the wire, just go ahead and give the wire that you're trying to get off the point a tug. Once that is complete, next step that we're going to do is we're going to remove the two screws that hold the AUX jack to the cup. Once the screws are out, you can simply just pull the AUX jack up and it should come out. Now next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and input the new AUX jack. We do sell these on our website as well, so if you are looking to do the repairs yourself, you could purchase these on our website, joesge.com. It'll be in the description for you as well. To place the AUX jack back into place, it's a lot easier if you remove the rubber gasket like so. And we're gonna go ahead and place the rubber gasket into the little pocket first. You could try to put it on there together, but it is a little difficult to fit it. So we're gonna go ahead and put the gasket, and then we're gonna do the AUX jack. And with this one, we're gonna put the port in first, once we get the port in first, we're gonna go ahead and push the rest down, like so. Once that is complete, we're gonna go ahead and put the 2 screws in that hold the jack. Once that is complete, we're gonna go ahead and solder the wires back onto the AUX jack. If you need the schematics for the wires, you can always reach us at support@joesge, or you can, I'm sure that we can also link it in the description for you as well, so you know where to solder what wire. But if it does help, the first wire that I soldered on this end is the red wire. The one right next to it is black. And then the next wire that we're gonna do, it's either copper or green. And then the wire following that will be the white wire. Once that step is complete, we're gonna go ahead and tuck these wires in and put the speaker cup back on. Like so. And we're gonna inspect all the holes to make sure that there's no wires in the way, so that when we do put the screws back in, we don't put it through any wires. And we're gonna check the outside to make sure we didn't pinch anything. Once it looks clear and everything is good to go, we're gonna go ahead and put the screws back. It doesn't matter what order you do. I personally like to do the AUX jack screws first. Once all the screws are in, the last step that is left is to put the ear pad back on. And we're just simply gonna do that by adding new adhesive to it, which we do sell this on our website as well. We'll be sure to link that in the description below for you. Simply just put the adhesive on by lining up all the holes that are on the adhesive with the ear pad. Once that is complete, go ahead and peel the top film. Once that is done, you go ahead and place the ear pad back on the speaker housing. Make sure that the line on the ear pad lines up with the AUX jack to ensure that you install this correctly. Once you do that, go ahead and secure it. And that is how you replace the AUX jack on your Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones.